Well, I'd say two things. I'd say tennis, thank God, is definitely back in full swing. We're very excited. I mean, the tournament is being played. It's record-setting in all areas. Importantly, we're playing the strictest safety protocols. We're having a great event, but we're making sure that health, safety and well-being of all is not compromised. So that's the good news with tennis. As to me being back on the court in full swing, that's a far cry from the truth. If you just saw that match, I'd say I'm back on the court in full swing I think that's overstated a little bit, but on a serious note, the fact that we're here, competitive tennis is back, tennis is alive and well. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank the sponsors. Without sponsors, events like this could not be possible. I'm too tired to name them all, but we have over 20 sponsors and extremely grateful to them. And you know, I've always said if the brand of Tennis Jamaica is strong, corporate Jamaica will want to align with it. So said, so done. So looking forward to 10 more great days of tennis, and I'm looking forward to hopefully getting out of bed in one piece tomorrow.
I felt good in my game. I've been practicing, and I was pretty happy with how I played today. So hopefully I can keep that form going on into second round where I play Kyle Middleton.
Okay, your thoughts on having tennis back and seeing so many people here on these courts?
For first day, it is amazing to see how many people are here. The vibe is great. Just to have an All-Jamaica back during this pandemic, it's just a good feeling to see the whole camaraderie and the tennis fraternity out and watching good quality tennis.
Nice, tough match because tennis haven't been played for such a long time, and coming back to not playing any tournament, so it was very hard for me for the first match, and the guy played very well, and we know each other from a long time, so it was very hard for me, but I managed to come through with the match.
Here with Tournament Director David Sanganity, busy as usual, trying to get things in order. David, the All-Jamaica Open 2021 has begun. Your thoughts on, generally how things have progressed so far?
Well, we couldn't have had a better start to the event. Everything went well today. People played their matches. We completed close to 30 matches throughout the day. And as a matter of fact, it is now after 5 and we still have players on the court. We started off the morning at 9 o'clock, and of course the venue is looking in pristine condition. The banners, the way it's decorated is really first world, and everybody is happy with the way the venue looks. The players are happy. We saw some very competitive matches. The seeded players came out and played. You had the Dwayne Pagans, Randy, the #1 seed in the men's open, will not bow into action until Monday. But Yusuf Ngoko and Dwayne and Damian Johnson, they came in and just showed what they're made of. The Class 2 was very competitive, as well was the Class 3. So we had a lot of players, first time players that we have never seen before. And all in all, it has been a fabulous day. The president is still on the court playing his match. He's in a dog fight out there. Looks like he's gone into the third set tiebreaker. And we're looking for another fabulous day tomorrow